Hello everyone and welcome to another presentation by Tax50. Today we will be going through the 5 top tips for making the most of meetings. Something you may be wondering is, how do you make the most of meetings? This could be a meeting with a client or a meeting with your team. It may even be a meeting with a supplier. So here are our 5 top tips on making the most of meetings. Number 1. Message or meet. The first thing you need to remember is that you don't always need a formal meeting to help you achieve your goals. Sometimes a quick message or video call will do the trick, but when the topics are complex, you may need to plan a meeting. Number 2. Set goals in advance. Start adding things to your meeting agenda as soon as they come up or you think about them, and share your agenda well in advance so that everyone is prepared and knows the aims of the meeting. Number 3. Stick to your timings. Plan how long you intend to spend on each topic. You can even use a timer to make sure you keep to a schedule during your meeting. Number 4. Identify the next steps. As you go through the agenda, make sure you gather different perspectives or thoughts from the participants of the meeting. You should also identify the next steps for each item on the agenda and decide who will be responsible for them. And finally, number 5, the follow-up. By the end of the meeting, you should have a record of action points with timeframes that you can share. Think about how you will monitor the progress of each task and decide on whether you will need a follow-up meeting to address any unresolved items on the agenda. So in summary, please remember these 5 key points. Number 1. Message or meet, which means should you meet or would a message suffice? Number 2. Set goals in advance by using an agenda to make sure you get the result that you need from the meeting. Number 3. Stick to your timings and schedule. This does not mean you can't get to know the participants of the meeting, it just means that you space your meeting out to allow for the agenda of the meeting itself. Number 4. Identify the next steps. This will make sure the meeting is a productive activity. And finally, number 5, the follow-up, to make sure you fulfill the requirements for the meeting. And before I finish this presentation, I would just like to say thank you for your time. It is genuinely appreciated. Hopefully you found some of this information useful. Please like and share if you did. It would also be excellent if you would consider subscribing to the Tax50 YouTube channel for more knowledge, updates and top tips.